Hello, dear children. I too proud to live in a country celebrates festivals throughout the year. Some of you may ask, what is this to be proud of? Dear children, that is, the festivals bring celebrations. A celebration means that we sing together, we eat together, we pray together, and we thankful together. And togetherness is one makes our country, India, so very good. And now let me tell you the story behind one such celebration. The Onam, and the Onam is celebrated particularly in Kerala and by the Malayali people all over the world.
Onam or Vamana Jayanti.
ഇളം മഞ്ഞും മുളം കാറ്റും പിച്ചവയ്ക്കും താഴ്വാരം കടം നൽകും ഓർമ്മകളിലൊരു കളം പാട്ടുണ്ടോ പാടുമൊരോണക്കിളിയുണ്ടോ പാടും പേടമയിലുണ്ടോ.
This day is the sacred day when the Lord Vishnu, in his Vamana avatara, conferred liberation on Emperor Bali. Bali, Lada, was a great ruler, but he had one weakness. He suffered from a slight sense of ego. Goodness lies in seeing God even in man. Hence, it's more important for people to be good rather than great. Vamana incarnated to eradicate the undesirable quality of ego in Emperor Bali. He looked after the welfare of his people with an equal eye. He felt proud about his kingdom and his people. Vamana wanted to remove even this tinge of pride and redeem Bali from it. Before leaving for the nether world, Bali gave a promise to his people, whom he loved. He said he would come back to them every year on the Onam day and bless them. Onam is celebrated as the day of advent of Vamana. It marks the beginning of a new life. Once, Bali Chakravarti was engaged in performance of a sacrifice. Then Lord Vishnu, incarnated as the son of Kashyapa Prajapati and Aditi to redeem the sufferings of the celestials who were displaced from the heavens by Bali. When the Lord, as Vamana, was approaching Emperor Bali's sacrificial ceremony, the Yaga, the emperor received him reverentially and asked him what he wanted. Vamana replied, "I just want 3 feet of ground measured by my feet." Bali said, "Why come all the way to ask for just 3 feet of ground?" Vamana declared, "That is all I want." The emperor's preceptor, Shukracharya, warned the emperor against making the gift, since the seeker was no ordinary person, but Lord Vishnu himself in the guise of Vamana. But Bali firmly declared that there is no greater sin than going back on one's promise. He kept his word. Emperor Bali stands forth as the great upholder of plighted word. That is why the people of Kerala worship him to this day and celebrate the festival of Onam in his memory. What is it that is adored today? It is truth. Without truth, nothing has any value. Without the values of truth, righteousness, peace and love, all education and other attainments are useless. Emperor Bali was prepared to offer everything, including himself, to the Lord. That was his greatness. It is not the mere gift of 3 feet of land, but he offered himself to the Lord. I offer all that is mine, my family, my wealth and myself, keeping nothing for myself. Save me, O Lord, who has sought refuge in you. The heart that you gave to me, I am offering to you. What else can I offer at your lotus feet? This is the spirit in which Bali surrendered to the Lord. The Lord had incarnated to bless Bali, not destroy him. So, when he had finished measuring the earth with 1 stride and the heavens with the second, he placed his foot on Bali's head and accepted the emperor as the 3rd foot of ground. That foot released Bali from the recurrent cycle of births and deaths. But Bali made one last lingering wish, which the Lord agreed to fulfill. He prayed, "O Lord, allow me to come one day every year to the land of Kerala, which I ruled over, so that I can see the people I love and the land I cherish in my heart." Onam is that day. Bali chose for his annual visit the day of the Shravanam star in the Shravana month. Emperor Bali, who is welcomed into their hearts and home by the people of Kerala on Onam day, had unwavering faith in God. He served his subjects as if he were commissioned by the Lord. He offered all he earned, all he was, and even himself most gladly to God. He overcame the clouds of ignorance and rose to the heights of supreme wisdom. Purity leads to unity, and unity to mergence with divinity. This is the message that the Onam festival and the story of Bali convey to the mankind.
ഉതിരുന്നു മാമ്പൂക്കൾ സ്മൃതിയിൽ ശിശിരാരതി പോലെ ഉണരുന്നു തേൻപൂക്കൾ ചെറുമോഹപ്പൂത്തിരി പോലെ നിറങ്ങളും സ്വരങ്ങളും നീടൂ.
ശ്രീ ഗുരുവായൂർ കണ്ണ മഴമുകിൽ വർണ്ണ ശ്രീ നായക രാജാ ഹൃദയകാരക ശ്രീ ഗുരുവായൂർ കണ്ണ മഴമുകിൽ വർണ്ണ ശ്രീ നായക രാജാ ഹൃദയകാരക കണ്ണനെ കാണേണം കാർമുകിൽ കണ്ണനെ കാണേണം കണ്ണിനും കണ്ണാകും കാരുണ്യ സുവനെ കാണേണം കണ്ണനെ കാണേണം കാരുണ്യ
प्यारी बहना को भैया का दुलार, भाई बहन का ये संबंध राखी का त्योहार।
आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार।
मेरे प्यारे भैया को बहना का प्यार, भाई बहन का ये संबंध राखी का त्योहार।
ओ मेरी प्यारी बहना को भैया का दुलार, भाई बहन का ये संबंध राखी का त्योहार।
आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार।
रेशम की डोरी में बांधा है प्यार, बदले में मांगो अपनी रक्षा की सौगात। रेशम की डोरी में बांधा है प्यार, बदले में मांगो अपनी रक्षा की सौगात।
रक्षा करूंगा हमेशा मैं तेरी, मेरे इस प्यार को देखेगा संसार। ओ मेरे इस प्यार को देखेगा संसार।
आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार, आज है राखी का त्योहार।
ओ बहनों का साल में आया